Did you know that learning outside can boost creativity and critical thinking? STEAM education integrates several fields to promote complete development in young people. For practical learning in various fields, outdoor activities present a great chance. Today, we will present how to plan instructional activities for children aged 5 to 8. Outdoor settings transform STEAM education into an engaging adventure, sparking curiosity and wonder in young minds. This method promotes critical thinking, ingenuity, and abilities to solve problems. Children's understanding and involvement depend on real-world interactions and applications. Hence, shifting these activities outside will help them to experience these. This form of education seeks to establish a complete learning environment where kids may investigate and link several disciplines. Imagine a classroom without walls, where nature becomes the teacher. Integrating outdoor experiences with learning enhances understanding and retention, making education a thrilling journey. How can you make classroom without walls, where nature becomes the teacher? Let's start with the nature experiments. You can do this activity in a park, garden, or forest. You may need some tools and materials like magnifying glass, jar for samples, notebook, pencil. Playing the little scientist. Children collect leaves, insects, stones, and then observe them through a magnifying glass, noting their observations. Parents can help identify the collected specimens. Encourage children to explore their natural surroundings. Discuss the characteristics of different specimens and teach them about biodiversity, ecosystems, and the importance of each element in nature. Are you ready to build shelters? Like making experiments in nature, you can do this activity in a forest or park with large trees. Parents can support children in creating a stable structure and discuss construction principles like balance and strength. Once you gather necessary materials like branches, leaves, string, start to build a simple shelter. Teach children how to select sturdy branches and arrange them to form a stable frame. Use leaves and smaller branches to cover the structure. Discuss engineering concepts such as load distribution, stability, and how to make the shelter weatherproof. This activity helps develop problem-solving skills and introduces basic engineering principles. The next activity we suggest to do with children is outdoor painting. Creating artworks inspired by nature may be a very challenging but full of knowledge activity. Children can paint landscapes, flowers, or animals they see around them. Parents can discuss different painting techniques and colors. Set up easels and provide children with paints and brushes. Encourage them to observe their surroundings and choose a subject to paint. Discuss the use of colors, light, and shadow. Teach them different painting techniques such as blending, layering, and texture creation. This activity not only nurtures creativity but also enhances observation skills and appreciation of nature's beauty. After painting, when children are more concentrated, you can start outdoor math games. All you will need is a backyard or space in a park. Don't forget about chalk, measuring tape, and abacus. All you will need is a backyard or space in a park. Don't forget about chalk, measuring tape, and abacus. Start drawing math games on the sidewalk, such as hopscotch or labyrinths that require counting and solving simple math problems. Parents can help with calculations and explain the rules. Use chalk to draw a hopscotch grid or a number maze on the ground. Include math problems at different points that children must solve to proceed. Teach them to use a measuring tape to understand concepts like length and distance. An abacus can help visualize counting and arithmetic operations. These games make learning math fun and interactive, improving numeracy and problem-solving skills. All activities are connected with production of leftovers. Start recycling technology projects. You can continue the activity in a backyard or on the playground. But this time you will need some other type of tools. Disassembling old devices is a very interesting activity, and it shows how those tools work. Collect old electronic devices, screwdrivers, glue, and tape. Talk with children if they have any idea how to use them and create new inventions from their parts. Parents should supervise them for safety and explain the functions of different components. Talk with children if they have any idea how to use them and create new inventions from their parts. Parents should supervise them for safety and explain the functions of different components. What else to collect? Old, unused electronic devices such as radios or clocks. Under supervision, let children carefully disassemble these devices using screwdrivers. Discuss the purpose of each component and how they work together. Challenge them to use these parts to create new gadgets or sculptures. This activity teaches the basics of technology, recycling, and the importance of safety when handling tools and electronics. STEAM education outside the house is fantastic fun as much as a learning tool. Parents should be encouraged to try several activities and modify them to fit their requirements and interests of their children. Every trip can be a motivating teaching trip. Emphasize the outdoor STEAM activities' advantages and the harmony between play and learning. Urge parents to be innovative and adaptable, teaching their kids from daily events. Stress the need of encouraging a passion of learning and a curiosity about the surroundings. Give further tools and concepts for investigation in every STEAM field. Recap the benefits of outdoor STEAM activities and encourage parents to adapt activities to their child's interests, inspiring lifelong curiosity. By engaging in these activities, you'll nurture a love for learning and exploration, enriching your child's educational journey. Let's continue to inspire our kids to learn through play and explore the world with wonder. Together, we can make every outdoor experience a STEAM adventure. Join us and start today by planning your next STEAM adventure with your child.